Alright, you guys, back with my mom at Evans Field. There was a derailment. Yesterday here over on the 6th Street. We think it was over where we did our video the other day, so stay tuned. Pretty cool. We got this park to ourselves today. Last time we were here, there was a whole bunch of football practice going on. It's pretty cool. It's just all ours. As for now, the train's going over that American bridge over there. See, slow rolling past the Cincinnati skyline. Okay guys, let's go check out and see if we see anything about this derailment. I don't think it was down here, but we'll see. I'm hearing stuff over here, but I think that's the engine that's going across that bridge.
It's where the butterfly was.
Alright you guys, where the butterfly was. Alright you guys, looks like they got most of it cleared up from what I could see. Here we are again. Yeah, somewhere down here there was that derailment last night. But yeah, they're all cleaned up now. Cleaned it all up. Well, there's no more homeless guy over here. That's cool. This is where he was sleeping last time, people. Right there. Alright, members of the Egyptian family along with the minnows. Oh, this is a whole bunch of riffraff here. Well, look at that, guys. They're all cleaned up from this derailment, from what I can see. They're doing their cleanup work right here. I want to go check it out. We'll see how close we can make it. It's still kind of sketch over here. Wow, she's following along. Cool. Yeah, all cleaned up, guys. Let's go see what they're doing up close if I can, guys. It's gonna be bold and beautiful. Get in there. Let's go look. This is where the derailment happened yesterday. I'm not sure what happened or any of the details. It's not an often used section of track here. Look at that, guys. Wow. It was all screwed up. Get rid of that old ballast. Everything was bent out of shape. They had to re-mold everything from what I could see. Too cool. I could smell the lacquer on those ties. Oh yeah, look at that. Railroad in action. Ooh, it smells like lacquer. Work quick, guys. They get this thing cleaned up fast. Beautiful work. Good work, fellas. Hell yeah, railroad in action, fellas. Not bad, not bad. Let's go see what mom's doing over here. Watch your step in these places, guys. You don't know if there's going to be needles on the ground. Get a close look around. Hey, this is the butterfly we saw on the news, right here. Straighten up the rail right there. Rebuffing, re-straightening, re-lacquering. Wow. Yeah. Pretty neat, guys. Wow. It's pretty cool, guys. Stay tuned. Some real activity today, guys. Love the sounds around here, guys. Impressive. Totally impressive. Further up the way, you've got the rest of the operation following along. So a lot goes into it, guys. Couldn't tell you what the name of these machineries are. Hey, if anybody knows anything about these machineries and what they do, come on, feel free to post in the comments below, because I'm curious to know too. Maybe we can get one of them to honk their little horn on it, Mom. We'll do that before we go. That's on standby. That's the next set of the operation. I guess from here they're gonna make sure all those nails are in good. Yeah, they do. Well, I'm sorry we missed them getting the trains back off, from being derailed. But that's really crazy that they derailed where we last did our video. So you guys check out the video we did a couple weeks ago here. It's down below, and there should be an indicator right there. You see it? That episode's really cool. That was before all this riffraff happened. Mom's gonna try to get him to honk, guys, before we go. Just scare ya? Woo. Wow. Man, look at that, guys. They're real busy. Really something. Wow. Look at this over here. He's still collecting ties. Impressive. Nice lights. He's got all his lights working there. Hey, let's go over there. There he goes. Woo! Can you hear it? You want to pop off? Alright, you guys, stay tuned. That was a lot of fun. The sounds, the smells, it's really nice. Come on, you know, Cincinnati's not so bad. So, here we are, Evans Park. Stay tuned for the next episode, guys. It's one adventure to the next for the more check down the track. See you guys in the next episode. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Furthermore, Jack, down the track. Woo. Really cool, guys. Really cool.